thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 405, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible. p.m. until midnight Wednesday for the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service.